As you can see, we're kind of in the middle of redoing things in here. Everything looks pretty good though. This has got kind of a little tint to it, and I think it may just be from using dirt, because these are actually planted in dirt. So it's got kind of a little bit of a tint, but otherwise the plants look great. I mean, they're healthy, they're growing well in here. So as you can see, the Cuba is growing right out of the water. I may have to plant it a little bit lower, because if you look down here, you see how that one's growing. Like, that's what Luigi Cuba is supposed to look like. But anyway, so we'll go back. So we're going to the swords, and I'm just looking through the swords that I'm going to give away here in this drawing that's coming up in a few minutes. There's one there. That's a Uruguayensis sword. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. It looks like there's a little... this is a marble Radican. As you can see, it's got the marbling on it. And yeah, this thing is just overgrown. I mean, it is just ridiculous. So I'm giving away that one, that one. This looks like a regular Radican. It's got a little bit of damage there, but the plant itself looks like it's in really good shape. What else do we got? I'll go ahead and get rid of these two. There's a couple of, this looks like an Amazon, so we'll get rid of this Amazon. This one also, it's Indian Red Sword. So I'll get rid of that one, and then those three over there. So yeah, that's 5. So yeah, so it is what it is, and yeah, so good luck. Alright, so we're going to do our drawing, and we have 30 people this time. Pretty good odds for whoever ends up winning. Let's start down here at the bottom. Okay, there we go. And let's see who's going to win. 1 to 30, wherever the mouse is, there it is. 25. Alright, 25. I think I'm going to start at the top here. So we've got number 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Lewis Q. Going to subscribe to you. Lewis Q, if you would contact us, email us, peabodysparadise@gmail.com, or just go to our website and contact us with your shipping information, and we will be sending you some new sword plants. Congratulations.